Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make hundreds of Swagbucks per day. You can actually reach up to 1,000 with this method. So you're going to go over to trending now, and then you have all these different options. Just pick some random newsletter to sign up for. Just figure out, do a bunch of these. Usually the ones that do give like 40 or 25 are more reliable than the other ones. Some of these are just signing up for some free trials, which you can always just cancel. So that's good. There's no reason not to do those. Take some tests, as you can see, print out some coupons. So I think this is really cool because you just simply enter in an email and you're just getting money by entering your email in. So yeah. Um, Also another way to earn is if you sign up using my referral link. So I'm going to put this in the description, my referral link, but it's right here. So if you click on the link, it's going to bring you to a sign up page, and you could sign up. And if you earn 300 swag bucks in your first month, then you get a 300 swag bucks bonus. So we're both going to get an extra $3 if you sign up using my referral link and you get 300 swag bucks in the first month. And also, if you attach this swag button extension to your browser, you're going to get 100 swag bucks. So that's just really easy. I'll put that link down in the description. I even recommend making a new account just so you get that sweet $3 bonus. So yeah, once you do that, then you'll be on your way to making loads of money. Thank you for watching.